it smells so good. Makeup just... Hello, welcome or welcome back to Namotion. If you are seeing this face for the very first time, I hope you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Motive of the video is to snatch it up your own makeup game. आपने देखा होगा इंस्टाग्राम पे कैसे बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्नैच्ड मेकअप so we are going to create that, and not just the makeup, we are going to do our hair and our outfit jewelry as well. Let's not wait more and get into the video. Let's do the hair first, and I'm going to do a sleek bun जिससे बहुत ही ज़्यादा snatched face लगता है. हम वो वाला bun करेंगे. So let's do it. So first step is to damp our hair. आप पानी से थोड़े से अपने बाल गीले कर लो. I'm taking Streax Hair serum, or I'm going to put it in my roots. So serum बहुत अच्छे से apply हो चुका है. Section my hair from here. This is the sectioning from backwards, very tightly. We'll use this rubber band. Just hold it very tight. Tight, yeah. Very tight. And with this parting, you have to comb these hair back. Hold everything together. Now we're going to make a bun. I'm using a hairpin and just insert this at the end, and you are seeing these strands. We are going to fix. Then take a very clean mascara spoolie and rub it over these hairs. Rub it everywhere you think there are baby hairs, and I think we are done. Now the hair are completed, I'm going to do makeup. First we need eyebrow razor for this, and you see my eyebrow, it's just little downwards, and I'm going to raise it off from here. See, it's already looking uplifted. Just a sharp cut here. And I think that's it. I'm going to do a very healthy and glowy kind of skincare. That glow should come from within. For that I'm using a toner first. Then I'm using the Recode Glow Serum. Just warm it up and place. All the products will be linked down below in the description box in case you want to check it out. Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel. Just spread it all over. Wait until it gets absorbed. Then a very hydrating moisturizer.
You can massage in these areas.
This is the best moisturizer ever. Let your skincare work. Until then, we are using a very hydrating lip balm. It's very pigmented, guys. I'm using NYX Plumping Primer. A little bit on the back of my hand. It's a hydrating one, so it will fill your pores, but at the same time it will give you a boost of hydration. See how glowy. Now we are going to do our eyes. Take a part of sellotape and place it high. When I say high, it should be this high. Take the lightest concealer. We are going to highlight the brow bone. Blend it with your hands. It's looking like this up. These are the small things that matter when you want that snatched Instagram look. Then for eye concealing, I'm taking Forever 52 Professional Concealer in the shade Natural. So see, this saves. This is a savior, especially when you are a beginner. Set your under eyes ताकि जो भी आप इस पे प्रोडक्ट लगाओ वो पैची ना हो. For eyes I'm using Huda Beauty Naughty Nude palette. You can use any palette you have. बस उसमें ब्राउन शेड्स होने चाहिए. 2 ब्राउन शेड्स होने चाहिए, डार्क ब्राउन, लाइट ब्राउन, and neutral color peachy. Then I'm taking the lightest color of the palette to place it above the crease here. See it and come inward and then outward. Now fill this corner, blend it here and then go up. Light brown and remove the excess. And then again जहाँ पे हमने प्लेस करी थी अपनी आई शेडो वहाँ पर इसे भी प्लेस करेंगे. See that definition. Oh my god. जो भी डार्क आई शेडोज हैं वो आइरिस से आगे नहीं होनी चाहिए. Just work on the half side. Okay. I'm taking a very small eyeshadow brush and then I'm choosing this darkest brown. Place this color only here, outer corner of your eye, just here. Do not go above, do not go anywhere, just blend it here only. Okay, see, cleaned it and then you will take this color here. Just make sure you do not put your color above the iris. जो भी डार्क कलर है वो यहाँ से आगे नहीं जाना चाहिए. And you will keep blending here. Taking the highlighting shades.
2,000 years later.
Place it right in the inner corner. You will use the same highlighter eyeshadow over here. That foxy effect, you need a eyebrow mascara or a tinted mascara or whatever mascara you have. Just press the product into your eyebrows and then what I do is I press. I love that laminated brow effect. The best part, we are going to do that snatched eyeliner. For that I'm taking Maybelline bold eyeliner. What you will do, you will follow this line. आप और भी ऊपर जाएंगे और एक और पॉइंट बनाएंगे right here and then you will join this point to the ending. I don't have mirror but I think it's enough. In the inner corner you have to make a down strokes for this. Just connected here. Now the satisfying part comes. We are gonna take the tape off. See that sharp. For the base I'm using Pac Beauty Hydrating Foundation.
I like to use a brush, but you can use a beauty blender as well.
And don't forget the neck. Then we'll do cream bronzing because when we use more cream products, वो glow और भी ज़्यादा निखर के आता है. For that I'm using this Forever 52 Camouflage palette. Take this warm brown shade. Start from here, okay? Then come till your iris. The temples, because I have a very wide forehead. Enhance your chin. Blend your bronzing downwards. Then I'm using Recode Blush and I'm going to put the dots 1, 2, 3 here, just on the sides of the cheek and blend it just right here. Just take your blender and blend here. You can take it to the temples and mix it with your bronzer nicely. Then the highlighting part comes, and for that I'm using Forever 52 concealer in the shade Natural again. I'm going to put 3 triangles. See, first, second and third. The high points. These are the all triangles you need. Not the perfect triangles, but I think we can work with. Start from the inner corner. Just blend very lightly. You just have to dab the product, never drag it. See that lifted effect. Taking the blender again to remove any harsh lines around the nose. set our under eyes. For that I'm using Fit Me Loose powder. And take very little product and pack it here. And leftover, you can use it. And take your beauty sponge and smooth out the product at the back of your hand. Then you're gonna drag the product like this. Then you will take the powder brush and just remove the product. It will give a very sharp effect to the face. You can see that the powder made my face look very matte. This matteness will go away with the second step we are going to do. Set our face with MAC fixer. Then curl your lashes. So for that outward effect, you are going to use your mascara in out kind of direction. It's making any sense. Just push it here. We'll go in this direction. I'm using a very natural falsie and I have cut it into 2 pieces. I'm just going to place it on the outer corner. And I've placed it. Our eyes are completed. Now we'll go and do highlighting. Favorite step, I'm using this liquid highlighter from Lakme. This one is very good. It does not have any chunky glitters and it looks beautiful on the skin, even on the bare skin. And we are going to place just above we placed our blush, and that is 1, 2. See that glow? It's very good, I know guys. On the chin. Too much, but we'll blend it out. A little bit on the bridge, like a glowing ball after using this. In my beauty blender, and I'll blend every line. The whole base is nice and blended. Lip liner, I'm using Swiss Beauty in the shade Cocoa Nude. Goes with almost all the lip combos I use. And for that glossy juicy lips, and you have to do overlining with your lips, especially on the upper lips. Just make 2 triangles and attach them like this. Like this, and then follow the natural line you have. Then I'm just taking this with Aya lipstick. For that juicy lips, I'm using Renee Cosmetic Plucker Up Peach Lip Gloss, and you just need so much of gloss for this look. You cannot forget this, otherwise this look is incomplete. For jewelry, we have 2 options. These hoops and these. Let's see which one is. So I think these are looking better, so I'm gonna just put it on. I have 2 layered chain and I'm gonna wear that. I'm adding 1 more chain because it's still looking a little empty. Last step is setting spray, and for that I'm using PAC Micro Finish Fixer. You will see all that glow coming back जो हमने skincare में करा था. So we are done with this look, and this is the final look. Hair looks pretty good and the makeup is, I love it, and I hope आप लोग भी अपने ऊपर करो और आपको भी बहुत अच्छा लगे. So that is it for today's video, and see you in the next video. Till then, be beautiful. Bye.